Assalamu alaikum and welcome to entrepreneurship series. In this series we will today discuss about what is the difference between demand and supply and how demand and supply will increase or decrease the prices of product. So let's start. What is the basic difference between demand and supply? Requirement of product from consumer side will be considered as demand, while the availability of product to the consumer will be considered as supply or supply chain network. In this case, we will give a simple example of smartphones. For example, there is a requirement of 10,000 smartphones from any cities of any country in the world. This demand will be given to industries to manufacture these products and deliver to consumer. First of all, the requirement is considered as the 10,000 smartphones, while the delivery of product which was manufactured by industries to the consumer will be considered as supply chain network. So how they will increase or decrease the prices we will discuss later in this section. So first of all, we will discuss how to keep the low prices of the product. First of all, low demand. In low demand concept, if there is a demand of 10,000 devices and the industry will also manufacture 10,000 devices, but the demands become decreases to 8,000 devices, then the industries are, if they are going continue to manufacture 10,000 devices, then there is excess of devices available in the market, so its prices become low. In the second thing, supply chain access or smooth supply operation. In this scenario, there is a demand of 10,000 devices from consumer sides to industries, and the industries will manufacture these 10,000 devices within a given time frame and deliver to the product to the consumer at the required time. So it will also keep the prices low because there is availability of resources or availability of product. The third thing is supplier maximization. In this scenario, if there is a demand of 10,000 Android devices and there are only single suppliers, then the prices will increase. But if there is multiple suppliers such as Huawei, Oppo, Vivo and iPhone, so if the number of suppliers increases to the consumer and each one wants to increase its market capitalization, the prices will also decrease and kept at low. So how the prices of product increase in the market, high number of demand. For example, in the Eid section or any other events, when there is when there is demand of sweets suddenly increases, so its supply become decreases, then it will, in this scenario, the prices of product will go on increases. This case will also apply on petroleum products as well as each and every daily activities or consumables which we required. The second thing is small supply or the disruption in supply chain. For example, there is a demand of 10,000 devices and the 10,000 devices were manufactured by industries, but these devices are not delivered to consumers. So due to this shortfall in the market, the prices will sudden go on increases because each one wants to buy this product and these products were not available in the market. The third case scenario is low number of suppliers. In this case, we will consider as automotive. For example, there is a requirement of 2500 cc car in the demand, but there is only one supplier, such as Toyota is only supplier to this product to consumer. So in this case scenario, the price, whatever the prices he will set, the consumer will have to pay them. But if there are number of suppliers such as Honda, Toyota, JW and so on, Kia, etc., and they manufacture their own 2 to 3 products, so number of products increases. In this case, each one wants to keep its prices low to increase its number of sales, so the prices will become decreases. Otherwise, if there is a single supplier or supplier quantity is very low, then the prices will also go on increases as day by day. So hope this video will increase your knowledge. Subscribe Q. It will give the question of all your answers. Share this video to all social media platforms. Thank you and Fi Aman.